aka Christmas, home stretch, ready to get this other video up. Hi, Ike. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Anyway, this video today is about how I trim my hair while it's curly. It's so important to trim your hair. I know I hear people say it promotes hair growth. I'm not going to say that. I'm just saying it promotes healthy hair, period. Prevents any fairy knots, or helps minimize the fairy knots and split ends just by cutting them off. Let's be honest here, our hair is always exposed. I don't care what kind of protective styling you do, how you tuck your ends in the bun, it's still exposed to the elements. My dog is giving me a bath. Ike. But anyway, it's still exposed to the elements. So you have the environment, you have your own hair rubbing against its own self, your clothing. So it's just something that's maintenance that you have to do. I sometimes trim my hair when it's wet, sometimes I trim it when it's flat iron. Either way, I try to trim my hair when I feel it needs it. I don't have a strict schedule or anything like that. I just trim it when it feels a little ratty at the ends. So this video is just showing you how I do that while it's curly. So I hope you guys enjoy and see you tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so I'm doing it backwards. I don't know. But I'm going to trim my hair, the last trim of the decade of 2019, and then tomorrow I'll do an actual length check. So I did go ahead and co-wash my hair, and I'm going to split this in 4 parts. I have no product in my hair or anything like that, so just good old water. And since my hair is like so freaking thin, I don't really have to do a lot. Like, I don't have to section the section of the section. No. So I'm going to cut off about a ½ inch. So I'm gonna fill. Yeah, that feels good. I have my hair scissors where I only use my scissors for my hair. Done. Let's finish the sentence. And I put the scissors on top of my fingers, not below, because there's no way I can feel below. So I make sure I only have a ½ inch. And you know what? If I cut more than ½ inch, it's just hair. It will grow back. Okay, so that's the front. Now let's do this section. And I trim my hair anytime I feel like it needs it. This year I trimmed my hair about 5 times. Not all a ½ inch at a time. Some was just like a light dusting. And I do it curly because when it's curly, I don't care about it being even or anything, because curly hair is very forgiving. And I wear my hair curly more often than straight. So curly hair always, for me, since I don't care, I just want healthy, strong hair versus how long it can get. I just think growth is just a byproduct of healthy hair. So yeah, that feels about like 1 inch. And then the back. So yeah, before this trim, I was almost waist length. But after this trim, I guess we'll find out tomorrow how long my hair is. But I don't know, after a nice cut, I think I'm cutting off like 1 inch. It actually feels like it. I cut off, guys, on the 4 sections. And it feels good. Now I'm gonna just put some moisturizer in it. But yeah, easy peasy. I don't really, no rhyme and reason. Like I said, curly hair is really forgiving, so don't worry about if it's straight, even, whatever. My curly hair just curls on itself, especially after a nice clean trim. It just feels healthy and good. So yeah, just wanted to show you how I trim my hair. I trim my curly hair while it's wet and curly. I do not recommend anyone to do this on their own hair. Do the best method that works for you. But since, again, my goal really is not how long my hair can grow, but how healthy my hair can be and how thick I can get my hair. That's my main hair goals for, especially in 2019. So whatever I cut, inch to a half inch, it will grow back in 2020. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, nothing to it. It was really, really easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, like I always say, love the skin you're in, embrace your uniqueness, and be the good. All right, guys. Bye. See you later.